Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share how to make my favorite hair mask with you. It is very easy to make and it has done wonders to my hair. So let's start making this mask. To make this mask we need fermented rice water, then we need organic henna, then we're gonna mix this together. Now we're gonna add organic avocado butter. Now we need black seed oil and castor oil. After mixing it well, we're gonna soak this overnight. So this is the next day, and before applying this mask, I massage my scalp. Then wear my gloves and start applying this mask section by section. And make sure you apply this very well and keep this on for 3 to 4 hours. Many people apply henna to get the color, but my goal is to get the nourishment from it. So I'm gonna keep this on for some time, then I'm gonna wash it off with a shampoo, conditioner, and I'm gonna use rice water rinse as well. I apply this mask only once in a month. So this is my hair after I have done with this masking, shampooing, conditioning, everything, and yeah, I like it. I use squalene as a leave-in conditioner and this has worked really great for me. So I hope you found this helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.